there are two very natural consequences of this account. One is that M, the matter, should be distinct from the substance. Because if they were the same, then what we would need to explain is the identity of an object with itself. One natural view is that one natural consequence of this account is that these two should be distinct. Another natural consequence is that S should also be distinct from F, probably from M as well. Because if S were the same as F, we could just put S in here and there would be no need to appeal to something qua form. We could just use S twice, as it were. This is an explanation in which we talk about the very objects themselves standing in certain relations. So I'm talking about accounting for S, that very object, being the or M, that very object, being the matter of S, that very object, quite apart from how they're described. And similarly for the explanans. The objects here, so to speak, instead of this being de re, we think of these now as terms. And so this now would be a substance term, this would be a form term, and this would be a matter term. Instead of this being a de re explanation, we'd say something like the gold is the matter of the gold sphere, and then these things might be the same, the terms may be different. You may think the gold is the same as the gold sphere, but they're different terms, and you might think they behave differently. And so in this case, even though the gold, you may think, is the same as the gold sphere, you might think that we still need to explain how, this is the sentence, the gold is the matter of the gold sphere. Okay.